करो ना कि नहीं? All right, I can see a lot of people now waiting for the next moment because I just got the SMS when it's the next session going to be starting. As we all know the people over here, but there are a few people that we would like to know more deeply about. We would like to understand much more about them. And I'm sure that the questions that we have in the segment are going to be very interesting because I've made them. First of all, moving ahead, I would like to invite the first guest on the Coffee with Nikhil section without taking too much of time is Mr. Parag Kulkarni to please come up on the stage.
I hope you are not going to ask me the dream question one more time.
All right, as you can see, there's a lot of more space, so we've got more guests which is coming as well. So Parag, I understand there are a lot of things that you have hidden from us.
Okay.
So we would like to know more deeply about you. First of all, we would like to know one incident that has changed your life forever.
When Madhuri Dixit got married.
Speechless. All right, moving to the next question, very well answered. What, according to you, is your biggest milestone that you have achieved? He's saying, shall I say this?
Wow. Well, you're going into my dreams now, right? Well, the biggest milestone, I would say, do I have to answer this question? Can I say pass?
No. Audience, do you think we can let him go with this question?
I think probably in my life, if I have to really honestly say, when I got blessed with 2 kids who are doing extremely well.
He just dodged a googly. Very well done. All right. We understand that you give a lot of presentation and talks everywhere and represent Calsoft. I've got one question. Have you ever spoken to the mirror? Am I looking good? This is the way I'm going to talk. Have you ever done that?
Well, I don't stand in front of the mirror that much, but I do stand in the bathroom for a lot of time and then stop.
So, okay.
I don't need a mirror for that.
You don't need a mirror. So you kind of practice your talks at that time?
Yes.
And does your wife say, get out now, enough, I've heard enough?
Oh yeah. I mean, they always say, why does it take you half an hour to take a bath while we take 5 minutes?
You don't have a talk to give, I do.
Absolutely.
All right. The next is going to be the rapid fire round.
Okay.
And you will have to just choose one word out of the 3.
One word out of the 3, okay?
And you do love to eat as well, right?
No.
You don't like food that much?
No.
But these are going to be related to a lot of things that you like.
Okay.
So he doesn't like food, okay, that's one thing. Okay, that's one thing we should make clear. So,
Don't you see how slim I am?
all right. Italian, Indian or Mexican? Italian, Indian or Mexican?
Italian.
Hot, steamy or sizzling?
Sizzling.
Sizzling is the answer. Slim, fat or healthy?
Slim.
Slim. Expensive, reasonable or cheap?
Expensive.
Presentable, tasty or need to satisfy the hunger?
That's a very tricky question. What hunger are you talking about when I said no to food?
I think he likes all the 3 of them. He wants it presentable, he wants it tasty, and it also should satisfy your hunger. All right, next is homemade, dine out or custom made to order?
Custom made.
Do you like it raw, all right, do you like raw, refined or overcooked?
Raw.
Well, breakfast, lunch, or dinner? All the three? He's still thinking which one?
All.
All. Well, I hope we were just talking about food, right?
I hope you are only talking about food.
No, but he did answer the questions, and do mind that he does not like food. Shh. All right. Moving to the last question that I have. If you were dying out of hunger and you were trapped on a deserted island, how would you survive?
Eating my head.
Eating?
My head.
Eating head. All right. And I think that's the way your wife survives as of now.
Yeah, definitely.
All right. It was a pleasure speaking to you. The next on our panel, we would like to have. Everybody should please be seated. Please be seated. Can we have Sharmila to please come ahead? That's the hot seat I have.
Okay, before Nikhil starts, let me publicly apologize to you for all the tough grief I've given you in the last week for your expensive taste for organizing this thing. Okay, even? You're not going to get me into trouble?
Can we go to the next guest now? No. I'll try and alter my questions. Can we have a new page? All right. The first question that I would like to ask you, who's your best actor?
A lot.
One. You have to name
No,
only one.
No, it's personal. Very personal.
No, he doesn't act that well. He's original. I know that. He's not an actor. So that's why she's not. One. Come on. Which
My
was-
husband's there. Indian woman never says these things.
It's a Bollywood actor.
अरे ठीक है.
Konich nahi. Last movie that you saw.
I don't see movies that much.
She's just
Okay,
trying.
चलो, Hrithik Roshan.
Okay. The next person that you wouldn't mind being stranded with on a deserted island. Now this can be Hrithik Roshan as well. Do you think I should send him?
Oh.
Anupa. I should hide from.
An extremely sexy blonde dog that I have at home, Caramel.
Okay. The next is going to be the rapid fire. You have to describe the following.
What are we talking about?
You can take it. The first thing that comes into your mind.
Is it
Once.
food or Parag's thing?
Did I say something? I was. Parag? There's something. We told everybody that he's hiding something. But Sharmila knows that though. All right. Don't worry. There are these people that you know, and the first thing that pops onto your head when you think about these people. That's it. Ready? Parag.
Bald.
Bald. Ashish Jain.
Recruiting.
Milind.
Sweet, quiet guy.
Vinay.
This is leading to something.
No. You apologize. Done. Vinay.
Fighting.
Fighting. Vikrant.
Easy go. Thepla papade.
Prashant.
I'm sure Anupam's at the end of this list.
Actually, he wasn't. I'll put him. Prashant.
Cleanliness.
Abhijit.
Which one?
My boss. Kulkarni.
Okay. Nikhil's boss.
You remember that? Anupam. That was the last one. It wasn't on the list. I can show you the list. Ooh. I thought she was just trying to wait. Okay, that was a last question.
Is she scaring Anupam or is she scared of Anupam?
That's I think let the people decide. All we know, Anupam. Okay, if you were given a chance to relive your life, reborn, would you like to change anything?
In my life? Nah, no.
Everything the way it is, it's perfect.
With all its pluses, minuses, yeah.
All right. It was a pleasure speaking to you, Sharmila. Thank you very much. Next, can we have Anupam to please come ahead on the stage? Hi, Anupam.
Hi. I'm sure we are going to be talking about two different things and thinking about two different things. Let me clarify that.
Please don't think about firing me after this. Okay. First question to you, Anupam, would be, who's your favorite actress? Camera, zoom out, she's kicking him.
Sharmila. Remember, there are two Sharmila.
Is that the reason why you got married to her?
Absolutely.
You didn't find her, so this one. Okay. Okay. Between you and Sharmila, whenever you have a difference of opinion, how do you make up? Who breaks the ice first? All know that wives are always right. Let me comment on
Absolutely.
that. So, who breaks the ice still? Do you go and talk to
Meaning
her?
who wins, right?
Yeah. it's always wives who are going to win,
Right.
square on. But at least, you have to still talk to her and say, you do that, wait for Sharmila to.
Right. So Sharmila always wins.
Sharmila always wins and then he comes back, Sharmila, you win, done. All right. What do wives not know about husband?
If I were to tell you that, then she would know.
That was a smart one. Big round of applause for that one, guys. Have you seen the movie Three Idiots?
I don't think so.
Dil Chahta Hai?
Yeah, Chetan Bhagat. No.
No. Dil Chahta Hai bhi nahi
I
dekha
don't see a lot of movies actually.
Okay.
Sorry.
No, basically my question was, in the Three Idiots, there are three different people who are friends. So, who are coming together and they make each other grow. Who are the three idiots of Calsoft?
Actually, I don't think I have seen the movie. So
Okay, so he doesn't want to comment on that. Okay, agreed. All right. Again, the way Sharmila answered, one word for the following. All right. The first thing that comes to your mind when you hear Manjari.
HR.
Priya. Priya. Okay, I think I should move to the next one.
Okay.
Dipali.
Dipali.
My God. Sharmila, I think, Parag, could you please sit next to him? I think there is a kind of an energy which is pressure.
Okay. Festival of Lights.
Dipali. Anjali.
Anjali. Bubbly.
Bubbly, okay. Kanchan.
Kanchan. Administration.
Nikhil.
Bubbly again.
Bubbly again, okay. Bubbly. Lee. I mean, Babla would have been fine, but okay. If you were invited to a Bollywood theme party, you would dress up as.
Amitabh Bachchan.
All right. So, can we have one dialogue from your favorite Amitabh Bachchan movie?
You know, I'm pretty bad at dialogues. I can't.
Which is the dialogue that you remember that we would like somebody to say? Which movie is your favorite?
Yeah.
Amitabh Bachchan, some movie? We understand he works a lot, so.
Silsila.
Silsila is
I
one of
mean,
the
he
best
has a
movies.
lot of good movies.
Yeah, Silsila dialogue.
Old movies.
Okay, like the old Amitabh Bachchan, not the old Amitabh Bachchan.
Yeah, unfortunately, I don't remember dialogues. Sorry.
Okay, thank you very much. It was a pleasure speaking to all the three of you. I would now request all of you to please hold on. We have the cake which is coming in. I'm not going to ask you to sign the cup for me, but cut the cake instead, celebrating the 15 years of excellence. Yeah.
Questions for our part.
To this, we have a karaoke night and we have some refreshments for all of you as well. I hope I'm not fine.
पेरोल के पेपर्स मंडे को आने वाले हैं सर
And you will not believe, Anupam was not on the list. Anupam was not on the list.
ओके
But you said it, I had to put it. वैसे रहना था, वैसे रहना था, कैमरा में